Hello everyone, myself Purva Patil. My coordinator name is Jayashree Shene, students of Shivajirao S. Zondale College of Pharmacy, Asangaon, studying in final year B Pharmacy. Today I am going to explain drugs for constipation and diarrhea under the guidance of Dr. Nitin Mohire, professor and principal of our college. Constipation. Constipation is generally defined as infrequent or unsatisfactory defecation fewer than 3 times per week. Patients may define constipation as a passing hard stools or straining, incomplete or painful defecation. Constipation has a many causes and may be a sign of undiagnosed disease. Pathophysiology. Causes of constipation can be divided into primary and secondary. Most common is a primary or a functional constipation. Primary or a functional constipation is not due to any underlying cause. Secondary causes like immobility, improper diet, endocrine and metabolic disorders, neurological disorders, psychological conditions, and structural abnormalities. Medication associated with constipation: aluminum and calcium containing antacids, anticholinergic agents, antidepressants, antipsychotics, iron, opioids. Drugs for constipation: laxative or aperients have a mild action, elimination of soft stools but firm stools. Purgative or cathartic have a stronger action resulting in more fluid evacuation. Classification: first, bulk forming. Dietary fibers like bran, psyllium, isabgula, methyl cellulose. Second, stool softener. Docusets, liquid paraffin. Third, stimulant purgatives. Diphenylmethane, phenolphthalein, bisacodyl, sodium picosulfate. Anthraquinones like Senna, Cascara, Sagrada. Third, 5-HT4 agonist like prucalopride, castor oil. Fourth, osmotic purgatives: magnesium salts like sulfate hydroxide, sodium salts like sulfate phosphate, and third is a lactulose. Docusets. Docusets is a stool softener drug. Molecular formula is C20 H37 NaO7S. Mechanism of action: soften stools by causing water and fats to penetrate the stool, making it easier to move along the GIT. Decrease the intestinal electrolyte transport. Uses: Docuset is often used when straining to have a bowel movement should be avoided, for example after a heart attack or a surgery. Docuset is a stool softener. It works by increasing the amount of water the stool absorbs in the gut, making the stool softer and easier to pass. Adverse effect: rectal bleeding or irritation. No bowel movement after 72 hours. Side effects: abdominal cramping, stomach pain, diarrhea, excessive bowel activity, intestinal obstruction, throat irritation, rash, and low electrolyte levels. Dose is a 100 to 400 mg per day. Pharmacokinetics: absorption: absorb minimally in the duodenum and jejunum. Distribution is a distributed primarily locally in the gut. Metabolism is none. Excretion: excreted in feces. Senna. Senna is a stimulant purgative drug. Molecular formula is C42 H38 O20. Mechanism of action: in the colon, bacteria liberate the activity anthrol form, which other acts locally or is absorbed into circulation. The activity principle on the mesenteric plexus to increase the peristalsis. Uses: Senna is used on a short-term basis to treat constipation. It also is used to empty the bowels before surgery and certain medical procedures. Senna is in a class of medications called stimulant laxatives. It works by increasing activity of the intestines to cause a bowel movement. Adverse effect: Senna is a possibly unsafe taken by mouth long term or in high doses. Don't use Senna for more than 2 weeks. Longer use can cause the bowels to stop functioning normally and might cause dependence on laxatives. Side effects: abdominal pain or discomfort, cramps, diarrhea, excessive bowel activity, finger clubbing, melanosis coli, nausea. Pharmacokinetics: absorption. Absorb minimally. Distribution: may be distributed in bile, saliva, and the colonic mucosa and may appear in breast milk. Metabolism: absorbed portion is metabolized in the liver. Excretion: unabsorbed senna is excreted mainly in feces. Absorbed drug is excreted in urine and feces. Lactulose. Lactulose is a osmotic purgative drug. Molecular formula is C12H22O11. Mechanism of action: lactulose is converted into short chain fatty acids with the help of colonic bacteria. It reduces the luminal pH in the colon. Ammonia is converted into an ammonium ion, not absorbed in the gut. Blood ammonia level decreases. Uses: lactulose is a synthetic sugar used to treat constipation. It is broken down in the colon into products that pull water out from the body and into the colon. This water softens stools. Lactulose is also used to reduce the amount of ammonia in the blood of patients with a liver disease. Adverse effect: severe diarrhea or vomiting, muscle cramps or weakness, irregular heartbeat. Side effect: diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, bloating, gas, belching, stomach pain or discomfort. Dose is a 10 mg with a plenty of water. Pharmacokinetics: absorption. After administration by the oral route, less than 3% of the given dose of lactulose solution is absorbed by the small intestine. Distribution: negligible amounts of lactulose metabolized or non-metabolized are absorbed into the body. Metabolism: the substance is broken down into lactic acid and small amounts of acetic and formic acid. Excretion: 3% or less and is generally complete within 24 hours. Diarrhea. Diarrhea, according to WHO, diarrhea is a condition having 3 or more loose stools per day. In pathological terms, it occurs due to passage of excess water in feces. This may be due to increased electrolyte and water absorption, increased secretion by intestinal mucosa, increased luminal osmotic load, inflammation of a mucosa and exudation into the lumen. Types of diarrhea. First, acute diarrhea. Sudden onset and last less than 2 weeks. 90% are infectious etiology. Second, chronic diarrhea. Diarrhea which lasts for more than 4 weeks. Most of the causes are non-infectious. Third, persistent diarrhea. Diarrhea lasting between 2 to 4 weeks. Pathophysiology of diarrhea. Invasion of the pathogen in GI tract. It increases intestinal secretion as a result of enterotoxin, cytotoxic mediators, or decrease the intestinal absorption is a secondary to intestinal damage or inflammation. Pathogen attached to the mucosal cell and cup-like pedestal on which the bacteria rest. The pathogenesis of a diarrhea depends on whether the organism remains attached to the cell surface, resulting in a secondary secretory toxins, non-invasive toxin producing non-inflammatory type diarrhea. Classification of diarrhea drugs. First, antimicrobial drugs like norfloxacin, ciprofloxacin, rifaximin, ampicillin, and tetracycline. Second, probiotics: Lactobacillus sp, Bifidobacterium, Bifidum, Bacillus clausii. Third, inflammatory bowel disease: 5-ASA compounds like sulfasalazine, mesalazine, glucocorticoids like prednisolone, hydrocortisone, immunosuppressants like azathioprine, cyclosporin, infliximab. Fourth, non-specific antidiarrheal drugs, absorbents or adsorbents like kaolin, pectin, antisecretory drugs, resicadotril, anticholinergics, antimotility drugs like codeine. Norfloxacin is an antimicrobial drug. Molecular formula is a C16H18FN303. Mechanism of action: inhibition of a topoisomerase enzymes which inhibits relaxation of supercoiled DNA and promotes breakage of double-stranded DNA. Uses: norfloxacin fights bacteria in the body. It is also used to treat the different bacterial infections of the prostate or urinary tract. Norfloxacin is also used to treat gonorrhea. Adverse effect on CNS: headache, insomnia, dizziness, hallucino, depression, psychotic reactions, connective tissue, tendon injury, renal, interstitial nephritis, cardiovascular, QTc prolongation, torsades, depointes, arrhythmias. Side effects: nausea, diarrhea, dizziness, stomach cramps, heartburn, rectal pain. Pharmacokinetics: absorption is rapid, distribution, metabolism via liver and kidney, route of elimination. Norfloxacin is eliminated through metabolism, biliary excretion, and renal excretion. Hydrocortisone is an inflammatory bowel disease drug. Molecular formula is a C21H30O5. Mechanism of action: hydrocortisone binds to the glucocorticoid receptor, leading to downstream effects such as inhibition of a phospholipase A2, NF-kappa B, other inflammatory transcription factors, and the promotion of anti-inflammatory genes. Side effects: feeling dizzy, weak or tired, headaches, muscle ache, indigestion or feeling sick, swollen ankles. Uses: it relieves inflammation like swelling, heat, redness, and pain. Used to treat certain forms of arthritis like skin, blood, kidney, eye, thyroid, and intestinal disorders. For example, colitis, several allergies, and asthma. Hydrocortisone is also used to treat certain types of cancer. It can also be used as a hormone replacement. Pharmacokinetics: absorption is a rapid, distribution 34 liter, metabolism metabolize in the liver to inactive glucuronide and sulfate metabolites, excretion, inactive metabolites and small amounts of unmetabolized drug are excreted by the kidneys. Thank you.